somehow, or?
No, I haven't looked into any of that yet. So, and I guess in essence we don't have to make that decision today, but irregardless, we need to move that in front of one of these windows and do some cabinets along the wall at least.
Yeah.
More countertop and some more cabinets down below as well.
Craig, what do you think about some ventilation as far as like having a vent for the cooking and all that, like a range?
The one I got at my own house, Tony, I don't even have one that vents outside. It just recycles it back into the air.
It's you get them ventless oven vents now, or you if you did them above the stove microwave, they have the ventless too now.
Okay.
They're all pretty much all ventless, or you can vent them outside. Some of your older houses already have the vent on them, and it still works good. Go ahead and hook it up. But if it don't work, it ain't worth fixing.
Yeah.
It circulates. Mine's the same way at my house. It just recirculates through the filters. Because some tenants, you know, they're not going to clean the filters.
Right. Yeah.
I mean, unless you get a good tenant. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah. But I understand. I understand exactly what you're saying.
I was in an apartment yesterday over on Briding. There's 4 apartments, 2 in each building, across from each.
I know where that's at.
Yeah, right there by Independence.
Yep.
Yeah, young girl. She's got a huge dog, man. That dog was like yay big, huge head. And I'm thinking, oh man, another dumb deal. I walk in there, man, that place is beautiful.
Yeah.
She's got it really nice.
Okay, that's good.
So you be a good tenant.
Yeah.
For being a young girl like that, I didn't
Right.
Yeah. What did you get myself into?
Yeah.
I was there to save her bathtub. Her refrigerator backing up a little bit.
Famous Amos, what's going on, bro?
We're going to need cabinets on both sides if we move this here. So the base can go down as well.
You could always do cabinets all the way down this wall. Leave that all open back there. Save a little bit of money. And just do a corner right here. That way you got room for your fridge to go here and your stove. And that leaves all this open.
Yeah. That sounds like a plan.
Or maybe put one cabinet, well, you got your heater here, but so what?
Or like a small one up top.
Yeah, do a double cabinet above the stove or something to mount your oven vent to.
That's like at
And you could put a small cabinet here, and just cut out the bottom and put a vent on the front of it and shoot the air right out the front. That way they got something next to the stove, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's try that. Yeah, let's try that. So let's go with that. I like that idea. And then with the 2 doubles up top.
Because you figure what do we got here for space? We got a 30-inch stove. We can always pop that off. We got 30-inch, so we got
50.
about 50 inches, so that gives you a 20-inch, nice 18-inch cabinet will go here. That'll keep it over this way some, so they're not hitting it.
Yeah. And give you something next to the stove. I like that idea.
Yeah, I mean, because sometimes, you know, you got your spices or...
Yep. What you need to do when you're cooking. You do right there. So, yeah. Let's try that. Obviously, this ceiling, I don't know what was going on.
Yeah, I seen that when I walked in the door.
Yeah, I don't have a clue.
It's called a quick fix.
Is it? Yeah, right, yeah.
Obviously, the roof leaked at one time or something. They probably fixed the roof and threw that up there because it was something they had laying in the back or up against the side over here.
Okay. But we want a drywall. Take that down and drywall, obviously. Who was this, Brian? The reason why they got this hole here.
Plumbing.
That's all?
They had a plumbing issue. That's a gas line right there. Or it could be an abandoned water line. I'm not sure.
Okay.
But it obviously had a leak. See where they put that fern coat clamp